If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Bro, I swear to God. I saw Felix's picture. Wait, hold up. Why is it doing this? Oh! Sorry. That was a jump scare. That shit was a jump scare. I don't care what anybody said. That shit. Hey, yo, hey, you need to calm down, Felix. I didn't even start. How the jump scare? I'm stalling way too much. Let's check out Stray Kids. I already know jump scare is about to come out. 3, 2, 1. God damn, that is a no. No. We're not gonna let that go. Look at how fast this motherfucker came in. Imagine if somebody popped out in the darkness, going ah. Look at this.
Ow! Jump scare.
What's this creepy ass music too? Is that a crime to shake a gumball machine like that? I don't know, but you know, looking that pretty is a crime too. You know what I'm saying? Oh, speaking about ASMR, goddamn. Put his ass in a crop top. I am grinding?
I am.
Oh! Thank you so much for following.
자기소개하기?
Oh.
I am ground.
I am ground?
난 IN인데?
Oh, shit. Okay, they on their rebellious stage and shit?
나는 멜로.
You romantic though? Let me see. You got that fucking zombie apocalypse bat though. Oh. Oh, maybe oh. What's wrong with this umbrella? Wow, badass. Bad. What? Why is it like jump scare like music? Like the
사.
Sup? Oh my god, I thought he was peeing on the wall for a second. Low key.
사.
You see this? That I thought he was like releasing, but he's just analyzing. Get that R. Okay. Wow.
이거 아니야? 그럼 안 해?
What is this? On the Skrillex type. That's some rich people shit. Like when you bored and shit. I personally wouldn't do that, but I wouldn't eat that popcorn from there too because you know damn well they be using it on the ground and shit. But you do you, boo.
내가 다 이겼네.
I am ground. Hold on, this man prancing? You could be whatever you want to be with that voice and looks. I'm just saying. Man looked like a Final Fantasy character. Oh, piano with a bomb? Excuse me, sir? Damn, his mixtape. He looked like, what the hell? He looked like Noob Saibot. You know what I'm talking about from Mortal Kombat?
뭐?
Look like Sub-Zero or something. That'll be fire if they do a Mortal Kombat concept. Ew. Oh, I thought he was gonna drink that. Thank God. Did he drink it? He had to spit that out, Chad. No. Hold up. Oh my god, that's traumatizing. I don't know why. You know when you accidentally drink like Listerine? That shit burns. Are you supposed to swallow? No, right?
귀여워.
Sure. He got the gems in his teeth. Okay. So this is the trailer for their upcoming comeback. Ow! I can't deal with this man. Look at this. Hey, hey. Big bro shit, big bro shit, big bro. Just on the forehead, bro. On some big bro shit. Blessings, blessings. Goddamn. Imagine just like you're going out throughout your day and then all of a sudden.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.